Today I'm going to show you how to print with PLA blue toilet seat hinges. The other ones were just really old and they broke on the left hand side, and it was probably time. We should probably go into the do's and don'ts about using 3D printing materials and filament PLA. This particular print was overhydrated and there was lots of stringing. Plus I didn't have tracing on and I didn't have Z retract. So as you can see here, it got kind of messy. In this next clip I'm showing that Polymaker Kira is indicating it will take 3 hours and 28 minutes to complete the entire job. It is now 56% complete and it has been 3 hours and 30 minutes. Polymaker Kira still doesn't understand that 60 millimeters per second is not 100 millimeters per second, and doesn't seem to calculate the actual time it will take to complete. On the lid part, I enabled Z retracting and tracing, and the part just turned out phenomenal. With the other two parts, I failed to enable this function, and you will notice the difference. We're going to speed things up and just get to the part where I've got them cleaned up and it's ready for install. Enjoy! Alright, we've come to the installation. The base part attaches to the toilet, and the seat part goes to the left and right hand side, and the lid part goes on the center. Alright, in the next clip I will show it installed. Okay, so it's a wee bit squeaky, probably because the Z retract and tracing were off. Probably caused a smaller diameter in the base part, and it's rubbing against the rest. Well, those squeaky hinges, they lasted about 1 year, and they broke in the exact same spot as the ones I have purchased from Home Depot. So I think it might be user input that is causing the breaks here, or maybe it was just a bad print. Stay tuned next time. I've modified the hinges and I will be printing them in gold filament. Plus, I will have all the settings right and I will print them all at the same time. Well, see you next time. You've been watching Frank Freely Majaler, FFM Ideal Design. Alright, bye bye now.